Hello, in this video I will show you how you can start and stop SAP S4 HANA 2025 server after I do the installation on a computer. You can contact me for installation services. I am doing many different kind of installation services. You can contact me for the details. So after I install it on a computer, click on this button, power on this virtual machine. It will take some time to start the virtual machine. You can see this is the hardware configuration of my computer, AMD Ryzen 9 5900X, and this is a 12 core processor, 128 GB of memory RAM, and SAP is installed on this Samsung NVMe 1 TB. Click on this root user account, give the password. Click on this terminal window icon. It will open the terminal window. Give the command su space minus space in the small letters HDBADM. Enter. Then give this command HDB start. HDB in capital letters. It will take some time to start the HANA database. Depending upon the hardware configuration of your computer, it will take the time. After you get this prompt back, give the command exit. Then give the command su space minus space A4 HADM. Then give this command start system. Then give this command we have to wait until all these 4 processes turn green. It will take some time. So we can see that all the 4 processes have turned green. Now you can log in inside your SAP. Open the SAP GUI and log in inside your SAP. Enter the username password. You can see this is lifetime activated. Lifetime activated. This is S4 HANA 2025. This is the latest version, T date. And these are the installed components. You can open SAP Fiori from this shortcut. Enter the username password. So this is how you can log in inside Fiori. Now I will show you the process how you can stop the S4 HANA server. Give this command. After that, give the command exit. Then again give the command SAU space minus space HDBADM in small letters. Then give the command HDB space stop. HDB in capital letters. Enter. We have to wait the HANA database is stopping. It will take some time. After you get the prompt back, you can close this window. And now you can shut down the SUSE ANX. So this is the correct way to start and stop the SAP S4 HANA 2025 server after I do the installation on a computer. You can contact me for many different kind of SAP installations, ECC6, S4 HANA, many different versions are available. You can contact me. Thanks for watching the video.